This is the part 4 of our adventure in West Bali. Last part already, if you are bored enough, just let me know. Tomorrow we're gonna start doing something different. Anyway, we are in Medewi right now. This is the surfing spot in West Bali.
Yeah, the famous surfing spot in West Bali. So this is the world famous surfing spot in the West Bali, and I know that old-timer surfers must know this place. But I think that this place, I don't know, based on your experience maybe guys, changing a lot, because I think that behind me this is a brand new hotel or a restaurant also, you know, and then the lady said it's just like a few years ago. And then, yeah, we will show you around, but unfortunately still rain. We will just have a coffee first and chill. And
so this is the Pantai Medewi, and there is some hotel. We're not staying here, but we have cola, drink, coffee. We wanna show you. It's beachfront bungalows, actually pretty nice. Also coconut trees. I think this is very characteristic to the West Bali, right? And the beach looks like this. This is the surfer beach, yes, honey?
yeah, so the tide here is very high. The wave is very high. That's why this beach area is very famous for those who are surfing. You see there, even it's raining, the tide is very high. But I don't think it's good for those not the best swimmer like us. You see, because the beach actually, it was so rocky, you know, there are so many stones around, and I don't know, maybe just only for surfers. Okay guys, so right behind me is another land, empty land, that I think that it's already one big machine there. It's gonna be another hotel or resorts, and seems like the development of the hotels and resort in Medewi area is nowadays is developing. Just like this area, like this hotel, the lady in the restaurant, they said that this is just like brand new hotel, Ibu. So I think that, yeah, the accommodation in the West Bali is slowly developing.
For surfboards use only. As you see, everything is prepared for the surfers. They also have a little swimming pool here. Pretty nice, cozy place. We never stay here, but looks pretty nice, I could say. I ordered pizza, not gonna show you, but Sayang have a pisang goreng to coffee, so...
Yeah, I think that when this, you know, like during this current situation, like I was looking for the dessert, and then I think that the pisang goreng nowadays, that's the most fresh one. So yeah, I just ordered pisang goreng. And then the weather like this, hot cappuccino and pisang goreng.
Anyway, that's how it looks, the village of Medewi around here. It's even like a surfing boards here. I don't know if somebody owned this or they are to public use, whatever. Little sitting area. It's rainy, as you can see, so we need to stay in the restaurant. I just wanted to show you a little bit around. This is also, I think, something new around there. The beach is stone, but well, everybody's saying this is really great place for surfing. So if you are a surfer, you should probably know this place. You can comment below what do you think. They have even swimming pool by the beach. So many fisherman boats around and everything. Waves today are like that, maybe not the low tide or something. And the village of Medewi looks like this. Devi, some hotel. I think this is where we actually have a coffee. And over here, it's definitely a little bit more alive than the area of Balian Beach. That's definitely. There is more touristy one, I could say, here for some reason. It's just a small street, well, about maybe 200-300 meters long. There's only like more guest houses, hotels for the surfers. Little Warung strip here, or used to be something like that, for a little bit local vibe. And they have a surfing boards here. Everything is just left over. I mean, nobody taking anything, but this is Bali. In general, always Bali was famous for that, as was safe. I still think it's safe, however, last year, you know what's happened to me 2 times, not gonna repeat. And, well, surf lesson, taxi to anywhere, rental bike, rental board, taxi to anywhere, surf lesson, and shirt. Many flags. They don't have a Polish flag, sort of shame. But Australian, American, Japanese, Singaporean, all is great. A lot of land, actually. I could say here, a lot of coconut trees. If you are a coconut lover like me, West Bali is definitely for you. I have a friend who was in Poland, come to Bali for the coconut trees, and he was disappointed. He go to Nusa Penida, watching the coconut trees. But there are a lot of here. Anyway, Sukarate, that sounds Japanese. I think this is Japanese, or used to be a Japanese something, restaurant, bar, something like that. And well, Bali Coffee, Smoothie Bowl. I think this one is closed. Also over here, little local barong, I could say. This is like a everything surfer vibe. Not many surfers around, however, surfer vibe. West Bali. This one is open, Medewi Beach Inn restaurant. They are open, rooms available. That's how it looks like if you're interested. And also over here is some hotel or something like that. Looks also pretty decent. This is little bit vibe if you are comparing, like maybe in East Bali somewhere, little bit like Amet, but more green with, well, obviously surfing vibe. And this is actually all the village of Medewi is already finished. This is another restaurant. Here there's some guy walking around. This one looks actually pretty nice. I could say my Malu or whatever it's called. It's open. So definitely more things are open here than in Balian Beach. If you are a surfer, land for sale, contact if you would like. Putu surfboards repair also open. And this is already Main Street. Actually, a lot of land everywhere. Also over here, that's the beachfront land, I guess. Local man working. If I'm already here, I'm gonna quickly show you how does it look, the name of the beach. They have a beautiful sign, Pantai Medewi, Surf Beach, and Main Street to Tabanan or West Bali. Quite busy. Looks like this, rainy. And that's how it looks, the surfer village of Medewi. So what's up, little chico, little chico, little chicken. If it's doggo, cat, also little chico, right? Anyway, as I said, this is like a, yeah, even foreigner, I think, man, made, bad, pal, lad, however you call this. And this is also one place what is open. I showed you already, but yeah, not many places around I can show you. So by simple words, what I can say, everything on the West Bali is about the surfing, black sand beach, a lot of rice fields, a lot of coconut trees. And well, if you're interested about the investment, land in the West Bali is very cheap, still very cheap. But like I said, 3-4 hours to going somewhere, like even we are going to Tabanan, to Winnie home, is like 1.5 hours at least coming from now, and another 1.5 going to Sanur, and we are driving over 1 hour from Girimanuk. So it's the distances are very far here. I mean, like 100 something kilometers. Maybe it's not far in Europe, but here you're driving ages. Well, that's how it's look like. This area is definitely popular to the surfer, but if you are looking for like a one-night stay somewhere, having completely different vibe, changing everything, I think it's definitely worth it to try.
Okay guys, so right behind me is also the fisherman village. As you see, maybe from the long distance, you know, that's the so many fisherman boats. And then I saw 1 or 2 surfers is surfing. Please comment below if you have ever been surfing here in Medewi area, or if you have ever been here in Medewi, so you can share your, you know, experience. And yeah, I think that this one is the surfers for the pro surfers, or maybe for the beginner, I don't know, because I'm not surfing. Okay guys, I think that's all our video today from Medewi. I think this is the last part of our West Bali trip, right? We already, you know, like went to the Gilimanuk, went to surroundings in West Bali. So yeah, this is the last point, what actually you can do in West Bali. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye!